All the flavors of s'mores in a cookie bar? Yes, please. These s'mores bars are a little messy, but so worth it. They won't last long in your house. Let me show you how to make them. First, cream together 1 stick of softened butter with a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Next, add 1 egg and mix well. Now, add in a teaspoon of vanilla. Then add in your pre-sifted dry ingredients, which are 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/2 teaspoon table salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Fold in the dry ingredients gently. Fold in 6 sheets of crushed up graham crackers. Once mixed, refrigerate the dough if it is too wet. Then divide it in half. Spread half of the dough onto a greased and floured 8 by 8 inch pan. Top the dough with 4 ounces of dark or milk chocolate in an even layer, filling in any gaps, but leaving a little bit of space around the edges so the chocolate doesn't burn. Top the chocolate with 7 ounces of marshmallow cream in an even layer. Press the remaining dough between your hands to get thin sheets of dough and place on top of the marshmallow layer. Bake in a preheated 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Do not overbake. Cut into 9 or 12 pieces and enjoy.